Just met up with my dog Jamie. He has the built RS3. It's full bolt on. So we're gonna be meeting up with some of the guys tonight. Hopefully we can get some rolls in Mexico. I take y'all on a little POV. I haven't done this a lot. I've done it a few times on the channel. Y'all seem to like it. Hit that like button, comment if you're feeling up to it, and go ahead and subscribe, man. We just barely hopping on the E-way in Mexico now. Literally, we got caught by a train, bro. The train was there for like a solid 15 minutes, so we just got over here now. That's nasty. Looks like some of the gang's already here. Beautiful, beautiful. We got 4 Qs out here. Let's go.
Good.
What's up, brother?
What's up?
What's up, baby? What's up, baby? Got the gap cam out, man. Ain't nobody trying to race.
You ready to go do races?
Hell yeah. Just scraped hella hard. I just got from walk, bro. I shifted out of first so shitty, bro. I beat it off the rev limiter. Jesus. Hey, 40? Yo, 40, 40, 40, 40. All right. I did get gas. It definitely makes me want to like change out my wheel setup and actually go full race setup and stuff like that. But then again, it's just like, why I spend all that time and money just to do that? Like I like people to look at my car and be like, it looks good. I don't know. I'm indifferent, but man, I definitely took that L to the chin though. That was definitely good shit on him, man. But we got back from Mexico super fast. But anyways, car is all good. I'm home. Literally blew through a full tank. I had a full tank of gas when I left the house. Literally blew through a full tank of gas of E85, so I'll have to fill up in the morning. But it's 1:30 a.m. I got work in the morning. If you made it to this part of the video, man, make sure you hit that like button. Comment, let me know if y'all loving this POV content, even though I could probably get another month and a half of it. I'm gonna try to get as much as I can, but tell me if y'all loving it. But go ahead and comment, man, hit that subscribe button. Road to 5K, man. We still pushing. We still gonna keep grinding.
The next day.
Sheesh. We got the cars outside today. Hey, tell me how y'all liking this super view too. Super view zoom. I can't even talk. This new like lens I'm trying on here. Sheesh, we got another Q60 out here, gang. So another Q60 in the Midwest area. This thing is absolutely crazy. He's got the carbon on the black, on the forest stars. This thing is nice. What I really like is he's got this Tesla screen, man. I really want to get a Tesla screen. I think that's something I'm gonna get and add to the car. Probably soon, honestly. You guys know I gotta pull out the winter mods for y'all, so maybe I'll do that. But this thing is so nice, man. It's always nice to have another Q60. If you guys didn't know, that's Sloth in the cut. Oh, getting the reels, man. If y'all don't follow me on IG, go ahead and follow me over at Frankie's Way. Send me a message, let me know you from YouTube. I'll follow you back, give you a shout out, all that stuff. Cause I definitely love y'all for supporting me, but look at the walkthrough. Hi, Carlos. This is his car right here. He comes out when he can. He's AMS tuned E85. It's pretty nasty. Sheesh. Low boys. You think he's static? I for sure think it's static. You can tell where he was bouncing, right? Sheesh. we got another Q60 gang. You guys have seen this car before, but it's very rare that we have 3 Q60s outside at the same time, man. This is crazy. If you made it this far, man, go ahead and like the video. Comment and fill it up to it, man. Roll to 5K. Y'all already know what it is. Woo! Oh, he's gonna hit me. Got Tonio. Yeah. What's up, good sir? I can't believe he let me drive this thing, man. Wow. Y'all know whose car this is. Me and Brian actually raced last night, gang. And I lost. I'm gonna try to put the video in here. If y'all know anything about Androids, them things are boo-boo. So I'm gonna show y'all the quality, but anyways. Got more people rolling up or what? Dude, that's the best Q50 here. God, that's hard, bro. Alright, gang, so the cops just pulled up. We're gonna go to meetups. Are we leaving?
We're leaving.
I guess we gotta leave.
Oh, this is easy.
I don't know, let's see. What's up? Oh, the people leaving? Yeah. Yeah. We asked them to be quiet, but yeah. Ah, okay. All right, we'll head out.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. W police officers. Damn, gang, they done brought 3 police officers up here. We ain't even do nothing. Hopefully they let us go. Oh, oh. Support everybody. Think of the stay out
Yo, shit hot.
I'm out of here. right, gang, I'm back on the GoPro. I had to delete some footage off of here just to get it. But man, look at this lineup, bro. This is absolutely fire. Hey, Saul, hey, move your car over. We got a spot for you. Sheesh. This is fire. Why did bro park by himself? This is so fire to me. This dope ass turnout, bro. This is stupid fire. Driver. This one. I think mine's funny, a big dude in a little car.
Until you hear the fucking airplane go.
Nuts. I got it on video.
My ass came out of the seat, bro. Yeah. Were you on my side or?
In the Honda, I'll be scared of Jay racing in the Honda too. I hit a bump.
And it felt like that. The launch of the light bulb was so good.
Some more? Yeah, he does.
Jesus. Damn, bro, it's a fat ass accident over here. All right, bro.
Hey, Tom. I'll talk to you guys later. Be safe.
All right, bro, be safe.
Take it easy.
Alright, gang, just got home. It is 12:06, so it's not that late. Just got home, man. As y'all saw, that was a crazy night in Mexico, man. The queue felt absolutely phenomenal. Obviously you guys saw like I took some L's, man, but it definitely makes me want to change out the wheels and get more of a lighter wheel and a race tire setup. But this looks so fire to me, bro. Like, this look is just so crazy. But that's gonna be the end of this video, man. If you made it this far, go ahead and hit the like button. I hope you did it already, honestly. I hope you did it already. So honestly, if you made it this far and you didn't hit the like button, still hit it, but just feel like you did something wrong. But go ahead and comment if you're feeling up to it, man, and subscribe. Of course, road to 5K. It's your boy Frankie. I had a Frankie day. I did it Frankie's way, and I hope you did it the same, man. That's gonna be the end of this one. Peace.